The clout chasing for clicks and views to go viral is very heavy out here. The attention is the new currency. Yesterday, wannabe black woman, not trans race, wannabe black woman, Rachel Dolezal. That's a name we haven't heard for a good minute. She got OnlyFans, and yesterday, some of her new pictures been leaked out to the public. And I'm gonna say this: this is by design. This is what's meant to put out there. Come on. I understand she can't find no work. That's what they say. And she created herself an OnlyFans page. It's nothing wrong with that. But putting new pictures out there like someone leaked it, let's stop that. Please, let's stop that. Just like some of these people, somebody leaked my sex tape. Nobody leaked that shit out but you. Don't get me wrong, the pictures is not that bad, what I see. But now you're going to have these thirsty ass niggas, want to be drill rappers, trap rappers, whatever you want to call them, going to have this broad all over their videos, bust it, popping it open. Where this shit ends with this clout chasing for views, because people is clout chasing for clicks, baits, views for all the wrong reasons. Peace.